Hey guys, what's up? Just kind of want to do a review on my car. Probably here shortly once I get a suction cup mount for my windshield and whatnot for my GoPro. I'm just doing everything by hand right now. Uh, since I've at least done the swap, I want to do a review. I've got about 15-ish thousand miles on it. It's a K24 A4, completely stock A4. A4 pistons, rods, stock short block. Made it to the Z3 head. So yeah, I just want to kind of do a review. There's a lot of talk about people, or a lot of talk as far as piston to valve clearance with the A4s, because the A4 pistons aren't, so they say, dished enough for kind of VTEC or during VTC. Anything, I believe, what I've been reading, 28 to 30 to 35 degrees of timing. I'm kind of here to bust that myth. I have absolutely done, or have been in VTEC before. Ooh, a cat. That cat just came out from underneath my car. But yeah, there's a lot of talk about piston to valve clearance issues. I'm kind of here to bust that myth. Like I said, I've got 15-ish thousand miles on it. Don't even have Flashpro. It's not tuned at all. It's kind of gnarly because during VTEC I roll coal. Kind of look like a diesel. I'm running rich as shit. When I did data log with my buddy's Flashpro, I was running like a 10.1, 10.4 AFR. And I'm pretty sure it's actually richer than that. Other than that, for the past 14,000 miles, car's been running fine. Haven't had any piston to valve issues whatsoever. Haven't obviously sucked a valve in. But this video isn't necessarily a vlog. Just kind of want to do my introduction into the YouTube world. I have long drives to work and whatnot, so I figured I might as well take videos as well. Talk about shit, whatever. But this video is a cold start of this car. As far as mods wise, it's the K24 bottom end A4 with the K20 Z3 head, K&N short ram intake, which is fucking junk, at least for the placement of it, whatever. And then it's got a skunk 270mm catback, and I gutted the header and got a O2 defouler, obviously, to pass emissions. So yeah, after this I'll show you guys the cold start. I think it's like 51 seconds long or some crap. And then I'll do some flybys and some cruises down a back road by my house. Other than that, if you guys want to see more as far as just talking about cars, vlogs, things like that, if you guys have any ideas on what to talk about, comment, let me know. I've been into cars for an extremely long time, since I came out of the fucking womb. So yeah, just hit me up. I probably won't actually do anything like while driving for a while. Like I said, I'm like 2 minutes as soon as I walk inside, because I just deposited some money into my bank account. I'm gonna be ordering a suction cup mount and a new case, because my case is broken. So I'm just doing this without the case right now. I'm just holding it. But I'll actually start doing conversations about anything. Like I said, if you guys have any other questions about anything, definitely give me a holler. If you have any questions about the swap, how long it took, anything like that, comment down below, let me know. If you go back a couple of my videos, you actually see a time lapse of doing the K24 swap with my dad. But yeah, like I said, if you have any other questions later on, probably as vlogs and everything start to increase, I'll probably start doing reviews on a couple of my buddies' cars and anyone else that wants to do a review, things like that. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, whatever it is that you need to do, and stay classy. Stay classy, YouTube.